Good day, everyone. So now we will start our discussion about hardware troubleshooting, which we will be identifying and resolving common hardware issues. We are the presenters. I am Chiny Baidal, together with my members Kalipusan Mercy, Sagleva Gisa, and Ventura Dien. So now, we will first define what is hardware troubleshooting. So hardware troubleshooting is the process of diagnosing and resolving problems with computer hardware components. This involves identifying the faulty component, understanding the root cause, and implementing a solution to restore normal functionality. So we have here our first problem about hardware, which is your computer won't turn on. So here is the possible causes, which is first, power supply issues, second, faulty power button, third, loose connections, and fourth, overheating issues, and lastly, defective motherboard. So to resolve this problem, we have here a list of solutions if your computer won't turn on. So you should check power cable and outlet, test with a different power supply, and ensure all internal cables are connected. And also check if the CPU color is properly setted and the thermal paste is applied correctly. And lastly, inspect the motherboard for any visible damage or burn marks. So now, Mercy Kalipusan will continue the hardware problems.
Problem number 2. Overheating. Possible causes. Desktop buildup. If your computer is overheating, one possible cause could indeed be dust buildup. Dust accumulation in internal components can restrict airflow, leading to poor ventilation and increased temperature. Next is faulty cooling system. The cooling system in a computer typically consists of fans that help circulate air to keep components at a safe operating temperature. Third is high ambient temperature. When it comes to computer hardware, troubleshooting in high ambient temperatures, it's important to address the potential risk to ensure your system remains functional and healthy. Then, solutions. Clean dust from vents and fans, replace or upgrade cooling components, ensure proper ventilation, check the fans, check for malware, reduce overclocking, and power management. Problem number 3, no display. Possible causes, faulty monitor or cable. The issue may not be within the computer, but rather with the monitor. So ensure that the cable connecting the monitor to the computer is securely plugged. Graphics card issues. Your computer's graphics card may be malfunctioning or not properly seated in the motherboard. Hardware failure. In some cases, hardware failure components such as the motherboard or CPU may be failing, leading to the no display problem. The next is RAM problems. A faulty RAM module can also cause display issues. Power supply issues. If your computer is not receiving enough power, it may not be able to display anything on the monitor. Then, possible solutions. Test with a different monitor or cable. Reset or replace the graphics card. Check for power issues. Check the connections. Update graphics driver. Inspect the computer internal components for any visible signs of damage or issues. Problem number 4, slow performance. Possible causes. Insufficient RAM. If your computer does not have enough RAM to handle the task you are running, it can slow down performances. Next is hard drive issues. A full or fragmented hard drive can also cause slow performance. Malware or virus infections. Malware and virus inspections can not only compromise your data, but also slow down your computer. Hardware failure. A failing hardware component such as failing hard drive or malfunctioning graphics can also slow the computer performance. Then lastly, the network issues. Slow internet connections or network issues can also impact your computer, especially when using online application or services. Solutions. Upgrade RAM, run disk cleanup and defragmentation, scan for malware and manage startup programs, close unnecessary program, update operating system, scan for malware and viruses, check for hardware issues, and lastly, disable startup programs.
Right. 5. Peripheral device not recognized. Possible causes. Driver issue. Outdated or operated incompatible drivers can present the proper recognition of peripheral device by computer. Quality USB port of device. Hardware-related issue like damaged USB ports or malfunction peripheral device can lead to recognition problems. Solution. Update or reverse essential drivers. Test with different USB ports of device. Check device manager for conflicts. Next. Bubble screening of death, BSOD. Possible causes, software conflicting software application or drivers can trigger BSOD. Solution, update drivers and software run hardware diagnostic. Use system restore or initial OS.
Hardware problem. No sound. Possible causes. Audio driver issues. One of the common causes of no sound is audio driver issues. If the audio driver is outdated, corrupted, or missing, the computer may not be able to produce sound. Updating or installing the audio can often resolve these issues. Faulty speakers or headphones. Another possible cause of no sound is faulty speakers or headphones. If the speaker or headphones are damaged, disconnected, or not properly connected to the computer, sound output may be affected. Checking the physical connections and testing with different audio output devices can help identify these issues. Incorrect audio settings. Incorrect audio settings on the computer can also lead to no sound output. This, this could include muted audio, low volume settings, unmuting the audio, and selecting the correct audio output device can help resolve this issue. Solutions. Update or reinstall audio drivers. Test with different speakers or headphones. Check adjust audio settings in the operating system. Keyboard, mouse not working. Possible causes. Hardware failure. One of the common causes of a non-functional keyboard or mouse is hardware failure. If the keyboard or mouse itself is damaged, malfunctioning, or has worn out components, it may not respond to input. In such cases, replacing the faulty hardware may be necessary to restore functionality. Lost connections. Another possible cause of a keyboard or mouse not working is loose or disconnected cables. If the keyboard or mouse cables are not securely connected to the computer, or if the wireless connection is interrupted, the input devices may not function properly. Checking and resetting the connection can help resolve these issues. Driver issues can also lead to keyboard or mouse malfunctions. Outdated, corrupted, or missing drivers can prevent the computer from recognizing and communicating with the input devices. Solutions. Test with different speakers or headphones. Check connections and USB ports. Update or reinstall drivers.
Okay, so now that would be the end of our presentation. Thank you everyone for participating.